Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, bienvenidos, namaste, and my name is Hello. So today I have a very special video because of the time of year that it is. So me and many other people right now are going back to school these past couple weeks and the next couple weeks, all going back to school. So I thought it would be a kind of fun idea to try to do my eye makeup, maybe some lips, maybe some blush or something, all using school supplies that I own and that I take to school with me. So let's just get into it. So starting out with the school supplies that I have to use, I have a lot of colored pens. I love pens so much. I always write in pens when I can. And I also have with me some highlighters. I don't know how well those are gonna do, like show up on like skin, but we can try them. And that is it. So obviously, like I can't do foundation or concealer with this. I already applied my concealer because I don't think I would be able to replicate that with the products that I have. So the only thing I was kind of thinking for the blush is I have this little pink highlighter that came in a case, and I was just gonna see. Okay, so that kind of worked. It like tinted it pink a little bit. Well, I don't know though, because I kind of stained it. Another idea that I had was to like take like a pink pen and then try to like draw on my finger and then try to like smear that on. Not really a good idea either. I might just try with the highlighter and see how it goes. Start with a little bit and then work my way up. Okay, so that actually like kind of worked. I have no idea how, but I'm just gonna recreate that on this cream now. Okay, that turned out way better than I was expecting. I did not think that would like work at all, so I am pleasantly surprised. I don't think I have any way of really doing contour with the supplies that I have, so I might just go off camera and contour myself real quick, so I'll be right back. And I also want to say real quick, be very careful about putting certain school supplies on your face, obviously, because they are not meant to go on your face. So if you think maybe like you have sensitive skin and it might react, just don't do it. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. Okay, now on to the most exciting part, the eyes. So I kind of want to make this eye look themed, kind of around like doodles or like, you know, like school stuff. So obviously because I am using school stuff, so I'm just gonna like brainstorm a little bit and play around and just go with it. I threw in a little Pythag theorem in there just because I know you guys just love to be back to school like I do. So I really like the way that I'm taking this. It's kind of like math notes vibe, you know, you just like kind of doodle and maybe learn some math or whatever. So I'm gonna keep rolling with this and just see where I go. So I'm really finding out that pins do not enjoy being on skin. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I might just try to go over that because I'm not really happy with that. But I don't know what to do with the supplies I have given myself. But I might figure out something. Okay, I like that better. Yeah, I think I'm just about done. I'm gonna keep doodling some more flowers, I think, and then I'll see how I like it. So I think this is it for the look. Let me know what you guys thought of this. This challenge was extremely difficult. I did not realize how difficult it would be to get the pins to show up on my skin. I think especially on top of the concealer that I laid down, it was definitely a challenge. And being able to control actually where the pins went was even a challenge. So let me know if you like this kind of look, and I might redo it with my normal makeup supplies and make that a tutorial. But that is it for today. Follow my Instagram, there's a link down below. I'll be uploading pictures of this look on there the same day that this video goes out, including all of the supplies that I used will be in the description of that picture. And I think that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.